Unraveling the Mystery. It's a red herring. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations, stories, and even in critical thinking discussions. It's a red herring. This phrase carries a unique history and an interesting application in our language. So, if you've ever stumbled upon this expression and wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this mystery together. The phrase, "it's a red herring," is used to describe something that misleads or distracts from a relevant or important question. It refers to any kind of misleading or distracting information or detail that takes you away from the actual issue at hand. But why red herring? Let's find out in our next section. The origin of the phrase, red herring, is quite interesting and goes back to a technique used by trainers of hounds. A red herring is a smoked herring, which has a strong, pungent smell. Trainers would drag a red herring across the trail of a fox to confuse the hounds. The hounds had to learn to ignore the distracting scent of the herring to stay on the fox's trail. Over time, this practice gave rise to the metaphorical use of the term to indicate something that diverts attention from the main issue. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's look at how to use "it's a red herring" in a sentence. It's often used in discussions where one party wants to point out that an argument or evidence presented by the other side is misleading or irrelevant. Example 1. The defense attorney's argument about the suspect's alibi was just a red herring to distract from the lack of a solid alibi at the time of the crime. Example 2. Bringing up the company's past successes is a red herring that diverts attention from the current issues they are facing. Understanding the phrase, "it's a red herring," is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps you recognize when someone might be trying to mislead or distract you in a conversation or argument. Second, it enriches your English vocabulary, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly. Lastly, it can improve your critical thinking skills by encouraging you to look beyond surface distractions and focus on the relevant facts. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing phrase, "it's a red herring." It's a testament to the richness of the English language and its ability to capture complex ideas in just a few words. Remember, the next time you come across or use this phrase, you'll be tapping into a deep well of history and linguistic tradition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the English language. Catch you in the next video.